Namaste friends. Bridge course standard 10th English day 35 competency statement number 19 as we have studied yesterday to enable the students to comprehend the structure of a sentence SCERT PDF page number 95-96. Now watch very carefully the action. So you must have watched the action. The pen was dropped. So now make a sentence considering Mrs. Pillai did the action. So how will you make a sentence, or how will you tell it? How will you describe the action? Mrs. Pillai dropped the pen. So this is a sentence. Who dropped the pen? Who dropped the pen? Mrs. Pillai. What did Mrs. Pillai drop the pen? So here, when you ask question with who, you get subject of the sentence. We call it doer of the action. And when we frame question with what, we get direct object. So Mrs. Pillai is the subject or doer of the action in the sentence, and the pen, this is object, and this is subject or doer. When doer or the subject of the action is in the focus, we use active voice as per the tense pattern. This is simple past tense and this is active voice. When to use active voice? When we focus on the doer of the action or the subject of the sentence. When the subject of the sentence is in the focus, we use active voice. But when doer is less important or not important, but the action is focused, action is in the focus, we use passive voice. So when we change this active voice sentence into passive voice, the object comes in place of subject and the subject becomes an agent, means it is taken after the past participle of the verb in the sentence at the end. So see how to make convert the sentence into passive voice. The pen, this is simple past tense. So when we convert active voice sentence into passive voice, we take to be verb form, primary auxiliary verb, helping verb. So here simple past tense, that's why, and the pen singular number, so was, to be form was. So the pen was, now past participle of the same verb dropped. The pen was dropped. This is also enough But if you want to add the agent, I mean subject at the end, that is called agent or doer. So by Mrs. Pillai. Now this is passive voice. Mrs. Pillai dropped the pen. Who dropped the pen? Mrs. Pillai. So subject. Who ने प्रश्न विचारला वाक्याला की आपल्याला वाक्याचा कर्ता मिळतो आणि व्हॉट ने प्रश्न विचारला की आपल्याला वाक्यात कर्म मिळतं, प्रत्यक्ष कर्म, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. And when we want to convert into the sentence into passive voice, we replace object and subject positions. So object takes place of subject. So here the pen, its number is very important. It is in singular number. त्याचं वचन महत्त्वाचं आहे, एक वचनी आहे. सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स आहे म्हणून पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ बी, नंबरला अनुसरून, वचनाला अनुसरून. So the pen singular number. So was, past participle of drop is dropped. So the pen was dropped. And if you want to take the agent, add the agent in the end. So by Mrs. Pillai. This is passive voice of the given sentence. So in this way, you have already learnt it. We are just revising it. So try to understand it properly, and you should revise time to time. See here, learning activity on SCERT PDF page number 95. Raj opened the gate. Who opened the gate? Raj. So Raj is subject or doer. What did Raj open? The gate. So the gate is object. Into passive voice, already the answer is given. The gate was opened by Raj, because the given sentence is in simple past tense. So its passive voice was opened. The gate was opened by Raj. Now there is a table given on page number 95. I appeal you to read it very carefully. Try to understand tense wise. Simple present tense. Active voice, he opens the door. Passive voice, the door is opened. Now here by plus agent or by plus doer is dropped because it is not important. So it is not taken at the end of the sentence. Action is in the focus. The action is focused. So object in the active voice sentence is in place of subject. Second, simple past tense. I opened the door. Passive voice, the door was opened. Simple future tense. He will open the door. The door will be opened. Present continuous tense. He is opening the door. The door is being opened. Past continuous tense. He was opening the door. Passive voice, the door was being opened. And then going to structure is typical one when in present continuous form going to is used in a sentence. He is going to open the door. So here with going to, the next verb becomes automatically infinitive, to open, going to open. So passive voice, while changing the sentence into passive voice, you have to be very, very careful. The door is going to be opened. Is going to be opened. So be is to be inserted, and infinitive is converted into past participle, to be opened. Then present perfect tense, he has opened the door. The door has been opened. Past perfect tense, he had opened the door. The door had been opened. Infinitive, to plus base verb. He has to open the door. The door has to be opened. And modal auxiliary, he must open the door. The door must be opened. Or he can open the door can be opened. So in this way, you have to practice all these types of sentences both in active and passive voice, vice versa. Extension activity on page number 96. So in this extension activity, there are 5 statements given. For each statement, there are 3 options given. Among these options for each statement, 1 is correct and 2 are wrong. You have to choose the correct option and replace it in place of the helping verb in the given sentence and make it again meaningful. The lock is opened by Radha. A was, B has, C were. So the lock is opened by Radha. This is passive voice of simple present tense, and among these 3 options, was is the correct one. The lock was opened by Radha. This will become the passive voice of simple past tense. Then number 2, the cat have been caught by my pet dog. Here there is an error. A cat singular number, so we can't take have. A cat has been caught by my pet dog. So here we can use has. A cat has been caught by my pet dog. Number 3, those robots were manufactured by a Chinese company. So here is an error. After were, there should be past participle verb and it is used as base verb, so it is wrong. Those robots were manufactured. So were manufactured by a Chinese company. And then number 4, are animals loved by children? Again here is an error. It should be loved. So are animals loved by children? Then it will become meaningful, grammatically correct. Then number 5, good news are expected by us. So here good news is considered as singular number. So good news is expected by us. Good news is expected by us. So in this way you can correct the sentences by choosing the correct option from the given alternatives and solve this activity. At the end of the activity, you have to write what you have learned in my takeaway note. Thank you.